we have been writing different types of paragraphs. We've been writing multiple paragraphs. And today's was how to. I did not give you any directions other than I want you to write how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, the key to a good how-to paragraph is in the details and the sequence. After we do this activity, I think you're going to see the importance. So, I have your writings up here. I'm going to choose some writings, and I'm going to follow your directions. Let's see how well you did at describing what to do when you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, first one. First, you put the bread on a paper towel or a plate. Okay, I got paper towels. So you put the bread on a paper towel or a plate. Next, you put the peanut butter on the bread.
Wait.
What?
That's exactly no.
Oh, that's not how you're supposed to do it?
You're supposed to take it
I'm following directions. Okay. Next it says, make sure you got a bunch. Well, I got a bunch. Then you put the jelly on. Okay. Get the right amount, not too much, but not too little. Finally, you put on the last piece of bread and enjoy. Okay, so last piece of bread. Well, I don't have any pieces because wasn't told to open the bread.
No.
Okay, all right. Okay, let's move on to the next one and see.
Mine is wrong.
We've already got. Can we rewrite them? No. Hang on.
I messed up.
Okay, are we ready for the next one?
No.
First, listen. First, you get out 2 pieces of bread. Very good. First, I get out. I didn't have an introductory sentence on this one telling me what I was going to do, but the directions were very specific, and the sequence word was first. So I know what to do first. First, you get out 2 pieces of bread. Okay? Next, you get peanut butter out and jelly. Then you spread peanut butter on your piece of bread. Okay. Now you spread peanut butter on your piece of bread. Right? I'm spreading the peanut butter on my piece of bread.
I said get a butter knife.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't.
And jelly on the other piece. Okay.
Oh no. Miss Bailey, don't. Miss Bailey, don't. Miss Bailey.
All right.
Oh, Miss Bailey. Oh.
All right.
Miss Bailey.
Last, you put it together and eat it with chips.
Okay, put some chips on it.
Okay. Well, but hey, did I get a sandwich out of that one?
Yes.
But do you want to eat this sandwich?
No.
Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay. I'm going to set these to the side. I've already used those. Probably won't hand them back. They might have some jelly on them. Okay, next. First, you need to get your supplies to make it. Peanut butter, jelly, bread, and a plate. Next, you put the plate down, which I've got napkins. After you lay down what you want on it first. It might be peanut butter or jelly. Let's do jelly. Okay, let's do jelly first. But it doesn't, what about the bread?
Yeah.
No.
Bread.
It might be peanut butter or jelly or bread. Let's do jelly first. You get a butter knife.
Your fork. Your
Is it under the napkin?
Yeah, the napkin.
Okay. I got a fork because we aren't supposed to have knives at school. So I've got a fork. Okay. Let's do jelly. But there's nothing to put the jelly on, so I guess I'll just, there we go. Okay. Smear the jelly.
No, Bailey.
Okay. Next, you wash off the knife. Okay. And then add peanut butter.
Oh no.
Miss Bailey.
Okay. Last, you put on the last piece of bread. Oh, okay. The last piece of bread and enjoy. So I got one piece of bread with my napkin there.
Oh gosh.
That would have been red. It's the first piece of bread.
So what are? Let's stop for a minute. What are you learning right now?
That you have to add like a detail.
Not just detail. Lauren says detail.
I'm just one part of
Maybe step-by-step sequence words.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I use.
And maybe every single step specifically. All right. Let's see what somebody else has.
Oh god.
Let's see. Okay. This one. Let me put my trash to the side. All right. Get 2 pieces of bread out. Okay, so there's no napkin. Get 2 pieces of bread out.
Oh no.
Then your peanut butter and jelly. On one side of the bread, put jelly. The other side, put peanut butter. And last, put them together and start eating. Okay, again.
Oh no! Miss Bailey! This is hilarious.
This is
Put them together and start eating. There we go.
I mean, at least you got a sandwich.
At least I got a sandwich.
That's
But I kind of made a mess because there wasn't a napkin or a plate or anything, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have
Okay.
mess all over your
And
fingers.
it was on my hands because
There was no plate.
there
And
was
no knife.
no knife or spoon or fork or anything. Okay.
You're making me hungry.
All right. Let's go to another one.
Same.
Let's go to another one. Let's see. Okay. First, get your bread out. Get your bread and lay it out. Okay. It doesn't really say get your bread and lay it out. Okay. Next, you'll need to get the butter knife and peanut butter.
Oh no.
Okay. Use the knife to spread the.
I think that was peanut butter.
No, it says use the knife to spread the peanut butter on the bread.
No.
Then use the knife to spread the jelly on the bread. Okay.
No! Don't do it.
Okay.
Don't eat it. Don't
Okay.
eat it.
Oh, now put a piece of bread on top. And you have your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay. All right. Let's see. To make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you need bread, peanut butter, and jelly. The first thing you're going to do. Now, they said gonna instead of going to, but that's okay. First thing you're going to do is lay out 2 slices of bread and put them on the table. No plate or napkin, but put them on the table. Okay. Then get your peanut butter and a butter knife.
This is mine.
Peanut butter and a butter knife. Okay, so that's good. Smear the peanut butter onto the bread. Good word, smear. Smear the peanut butter onto the bread. Something really good to add there might be how much. What do you think?
Yeah.
That was a great sentence and great directions, but maybe you would say a scoop or a spoonful of.
I'm not gonna say all.
I use
Okay.
a lot.
Then get the jelly and take your butter knife. Get jelly and smear on the bread. Okay. Next, I've got another sequence word. Next, put the 2 slices together. And finally, you can enjoy your peanut butter jelly sandwich.
That one was right.
That one was right. Okay, do you see the difference?
Yes.
When you are descriptive and you explain in detail exactly what you're going to do in a how-to paragraph. Not only that, first thing, next, then, next, finally. 5 sequence words that told me exactly step by step what I was going to do. And I want to brag because that was Lauren. Excellent job, Lauren. Excellent job. I have some others that also did an excellent job as well, but I had to start off kind of silly, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I think you've learned one important thing, and what is that? What have you learned? Skylar.
You have to add
Descriptive words and
Yeah.
details.
Descriptive words and details. So now what we're going to do is now on our anchor chart, we are going to identify and write the specific things that you need to include every single time you write a how-to paragraph. Okay? All right, you can stop there. I just wanted that.